Dear world,
Dear world,
Dear world,
we need to think.
Dear world,
we need to listen.
dear world,
you need to be more generous.
more responsible, more helpful,
More accommodating.
more compromising,
More obedient.
more optimistic,
more forgiving,
We need to be more thankful.
We need to serve.
Dear world,
we need to be less hateful,
Less self obsessed.
less wasteful,
less angry,
less pessimist.
Less consumed by things.
dear world,
Working on Edhi's vision is our mission. Let's live like Edhi.